Okay, so I bought one of these really cool long mouthed staplers so that I could put together journals quickly. And I've been experimenting with different ways to cover up the staples because I don't really want the staples to show. And there's different ways you can use lace and material and stuff like that. But I want to use just the cutoffs from this project and see what happens. So here we go. I'm just going to use school glue, hopefully. And just because I am out of just about all the glues I have. I need to buy some more. Okay, so here we go. I'm just going to disguise it with some paper that's around the same color. Just a lot of glue to soak it up so it will be good and glued. And when you put a lot of glue like that, of course you're going to have to dry it, but it really makes it part of the page. I didn't put tons and tons, but enough to soak it. And I'm going to cut off the little edges. Just like that. That looks good. Now we're going to dry that. Shouldn't take long. Now look, isn't that beautiful? Lovely. No staple. In the middle, I just used some of my washi that I made a long time ago. I wish it was paper washi, but I really need to use it up anyway, so then I'm going to just trim off the end of it because it wasn't laying right. Okay. I'm going to just put a little up here for decoration. Now we're going to go and we're going to do the middle with my other strip, and it should look great. Especially around the staple. Okay. Where did it go? I'm good at losing things. Now you could go back in with some inks or whatever you want to do, but I'm just going to get it in there, Lord willing. I haven't been able to make like full journals in a very long time. My life has just been crazy. But that's how life goes sometimes. So I just have to find easier ways to make them. Not so elaborate. I'm going to put another strip of glue over the top so that we can make it more a part of the page. Okay. There's no gaps in it. So I really want my work to look good. I don't want to take all the extra time, you know what I mean? Time is very valuable to me. Almost. All right, looking good. I like it. I don't like this right here. It's driving me crazy. All this shiny stuff. I may have to live with it. Maybe I'll come up with something. But until then, signing off. Bye-bye.